What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have RH. RH is actually sitting at around $273 overall today. It was up around 4.5%. Still, the market is actually closed. So this is a little post-market update. Also, it's the next day that we're going to be actually opening is going to be, I believe, Monday, if I'm not wrong. It's going to be 12th of September. It's there another holiday, or it's actually the 12th or Monday. I'm going to check it out right now. Yeah, so Monday we're going to be opening. Overall higher time frame was bearish. We're definitely like super bearish in this. Oh, actually no, higher time frame we're just in this demand. We can come to the monthly. It's still pretty much from this low, so I like this range. Beautiful. Weekly, this is where it gets interesting. On the weekly, we actually have shifted bullish. I'm only interested in this price action. Oof, there was only a week. Yeah, I mean, I could expect this to come a little bit lower and take those lows out, but overall, I'm just looking for these highs to get met. So this is going to be my prediction. If we break, then again, I'm pretty bullish on this day. This is a little bit, again, a little bit of a higher time frame, but that's generally about it. Again, you can see on the daily time frame, we got this break here and this break here. So you can see from both of the breaks, um, we broke this structure here, and then we continue to go bullish. Unfortunately, we broke bearish again here multiple times. Now again bullish. Now there is a lot of things that could be happening, but for right now I'm pretty bullish. So let me know what are your thoughts. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.